Hey truckers! Today we've got some essential tips for keeping your truck in great shape and ensuring a safe journey. Maintaining your trailer is crucial for its lifespan and your safety. In this video, we've got essential tips for effective trailer upkeep. We cover key points like Kingpin maintenance, 7-way connectors, brakes, suspensions, and stress the importance of documenting inspections. Ensuring a safe journey. Verify trailer load capacity. Before every trip, confirm the trailer's load capacity and balance. Following guidelines from the manufacturer would save you time and fuel. Pre-trip inspection. Conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection, checking tire pressure, brakes, electrical connections, and more to prevent accidents and save time. Braking brilliance. Brake system assessment. Regularly inspect all brake components including pads, rotors, valves, lines, and chambers, catching issues like leaks and wear immediately to ensure safety. Anti-lock braking system. Check your ABS light and make sure that it goes off after 5 seconds when you turn the engine on. If it doesn't go off, then the following repairs or replacements are needed: ABS sensor, ABS computer, light bulb, and loose or bad wires. Air ride suspension. Regularly inspect shocks, airbags, and related hardware, following manufacturer recommendations for airbag inflation to prevent ride quality issues. Crucial components maintenance. Kingpin. Thoroughly inspect the Kingpin for wear, damage, and proper alignment before each journey. Keep it lubricated for functionality. 7-way connectors. Keep 7-way connectors clean from dirt and corrosion to ensure a proper electrical connection, enhancing safety and visibility on the road. Documenting for peace of mind. To enjoy optimum performance and enjoy worry-free journey, keep a record of regular inspections of the trailer. Seriously follow the inspection guidelines and examine your trailer. Minor problems, if left unaddressed, may lead to bigger issues or even serious threats to your safety. As you hit the road, remember, a well-maintained trailer is your ticket to a smooth and safe journey. Don't cut corners on upkeep. Every detail matters. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe on those highways.